Proper care and storage is vital in architectural woodwork projects. The biggest and most important criteria of AWI 200, the standard related to care and storage, is the environmental aspects of relative humidity. Wood is a hygroscopic material which takes on and gives off moisture. This section establishes environmental ranges for architectural woodwork to remain stable. To prevent negative effects from poor care and storage, we would recommend woodworkers do three things. The first is to ensure woodwork moisture content is between 6 and 10% in most areas. Secondly, allow woodwork to acclimate to the project environment prior to installation. And finally, it's important to maintain a range of 30 to 55% relative humidity in finished spaces in most areas. A number of common deficiencies we see with regards to care and storage have to do with how cabinets are fabricated. For example, certain dowel spacing is stipulated for cabinets assembled with dowels. Specific gap measurements are required at joints, and certain assembly requirements for cabinet backs are stipulated to allow for movement of woodwork. These often show up as non-conformances and are things to watch out for.